Jamaica man, this land are direct on tide road from here to here. We will give you a standard. This one 100 by 100 direct. Buy and build. Nothing like saying that they cheat you. This is not fraud, legit.
Okay.
Say no more. Give me account number.
81 366
Hold on. Funky Chief, you again?
Rudy White.
Jamaica man.
Wagwan. Rudy White.
Funky Chief, you are this again?
Oh, wow.
Jamaica man, these are one of the land grabbers we have in town.
What?
You have eyes, but you can't see. Hey, Jesus Christ! I'm talking about the legal trend in town, which is Flourish Estate. Flourish Estate will make you a landowner with free documentation, no bush entering, no matching ground.
Why you they cast me finish now? I be person who go chop again.
Child.
Wow, go.
Hold on. And to you, Funky Chief, I would advise you to join us in Flourish Estate so we can make your life flourish. Join us in selling of lands and properties instead of doing this thing to people.
There is God, oh.
Jamaica man, I am sorry. Hunger day na I make, but from today henceforth, I work with Flourish Estate, 100%. No more illegal business.
Say no more.
Thanks.
All right, come on, guys. Let's show you our properties.